Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about whether or not Deel supports Binance. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, so I thought I would do a video on it to answer it once and for all. Now, before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to define what Deel and Binance are. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. Deel provides a range of services, including payroll, benefits, and compliance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it is known for its low fees and high trading volume. Does Deel support Binance? The answer to this question is yes, Deel supports Binance. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Deel does not support direct deposits to Binance accounts. This means that you will need to withdraw your funds from Deel to a bank account or another cryptocurrency exchange before you can transfer them to Binance. Second, Deel does not charge any fees for processing transactions to or from Binance. However, you will be responsible for any fees that Binance charges. How to connect Deel and Binance? If you want to connect Deel and Binance, you will need to follow these steps. Create a Deel account. Add a new bank account to your Deel account. Withdraw your funds from Deel to your bank account. Create a Binance account. Deposit your funds from your bank account to your Binance account. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to transfer funds between Deel and Binance. Benefits of using Deel with Binance. There are a number of benefits to using Deel with Binance. Ease of use. Deel makes it easy to connect your bank account to your Binance account. No fees. Deel does not charge any fees for processing transactions to or from Binance. Security. Deel is a secure platform that uses encryption to protect your data. In conclusion, Deel supports Binance. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Deel does not support direct deposits to Binance accounts, and you will be responsible for any fees that Binance charges. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.